All right, time for bed, but forgot to do computer science for today, so we're gonna do it right now. Today was the last lecture of computer science 1. It was actually very successful. I wrote the best program I probably have ever written. Literally took me like 12 minutes in and out. Boom. The main program was only like 5 lines because I declared 2 user-defined functions, or defined 2 user-defined functions. Pretty good. Anyway, let's recall what I learned yesterday. I think we finished the last note on iterating data, which is step 5. Interpreting data, step 5 of the data science life cycle, mostly about communicating the findings and acting on the findings, and maybe even altering, updating, incrementing the findings as you communicate it and learn more, and learn what to retest and to refocus on through communication. Then we started the next unit, which was on what? Gosh dang it. Just like Python for data science, essentially. That's what the unit was on. Pros of using Python for data science is readability. It's readable, very readable. It's very popular, so there's lots of new modules, new tools being created. That's also along the lines of another pro, which is innovation, since it's so popular and there's so many potential partners, developers, tools. There's so many, the innovation of new tools and modules and libraries and things like that are constantly being added and innovated upon. Some of the cons are syntax varies between modules and libraries, so it can be difficult to read. Not difficult to read, but complex, because there's different syntax for different plugins, essentially. What else? Slower than a lot of other languages, and uses more memory, so less efficient than other languages. And then we learned about some common, data science tools for Python, data science modules. Scikit, SK something, SKPy or something, Scikit. I think this has to do with like machine learning for modeling. Machine learning algorithms for modeling data. NumPy for numerical calculations. Matplotlib.pyplot or something along those lines. Data visualizations. Seaboard data visualizations. Something data, maybe data something.py. I'm missing the rest. I missed these same exact ones yesterday. I bet it's not that important to memorize, but I thought I would do it anyway, recall. All right, let me go check what I'm missing. All right. Interpreting data, step 5, largely about communicating findings, acting on findings. All right, here we go. Introduction to Python for data science. Python is one of the most popular languages for data science. Pros: readability, popularity, innovation. Popularity, availability of resources and collaborators, innovation, new models / technologies constantly being added. Cons: consistency, not complexity. Different libraries have different syntax, memory. Python uses more computer memory than other languages. Speed: Python is slower than some other languages. Common data science packages, they're called packages. NumPy, numerical calculations. Pandas, tabular time series data, read, investigate, manipulate data sets. sklearn, machine learning algorithms for modeling data, not bad. Matplotlib.pyplot, pretty good. Data visualizations, seaboard data visualizations, scipy.stats, stat functions, stats models, exploring modeling, and making inferences about data. And then we just started, but haven't taken any notes on, Introduction to Jupyter Notebooks, the final unit in all of this textbook. So that's it for today. I'm gonna keep it to just that because I'm going to bed literally right now. So see ya.